category of AI application analysis and trends. Hi everyone, my name is Anna and welcome to the ASOMobile channel, a place where we talk about app growth, ASO strategies, and everything that helps your mobile product perform better on the market. Today we are diving into one of the fastest growing categories in the entire mobile industry, AI apps. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it's already part of our daily routine. It helps us work faster, create content, learn, communicate, and stay organized. From chatbots that feel almost human to image generators, video tools, and AI-powered productivity apps, this category is transforming how users interact with their devices. And because the adoption of AI apps is exploding worldwide, it's also reshaping how we approach product growth, marketing, and ASO. So, in this video, we'll break down what's happening inside this category, the data, the trends, opportunities, and what it all means for developers and ASO specialists today. Mobile market. If the mobile market were an ocean, the AI category would be a new continent rising fast. Big, bright, and impossible to ignore. And the numbers prove it. In 2024, global installs of AI apps jumped by more than 50%, far above the average market pace. Some subcategories grew even faster. AI photo editors and AI image generators, plus 60–90% installs. AI video generators, the strongest segment, 120–200% growth. Voice AI assistants, 70–100% revenue growth. And user spending keep rising too, plus 25% year-over-year. This tells us one thing: users aren't just serious about AI, they're ready to pay for real value. That's why the AI category is now firmly in the top 10 fastest growing mobile categories worldwide. And last year, it broke a record for the number of new AI products released. Yes, competition is rising, but more competition means more demand and more opportunities to stand out. Where the AI boom lives. The AI wave isn't spanning equally across the globe. There are clear hotspots where adoption is exploding and shaping new users' behavior. Today, 3 regions lead AI app market. United States, the strongest and more profitable region. This is where installs, spending, and early adopters are most concentrated. Europe, a rapidly growing region where interest in AI tools is accelerating at record speed. Southeast Asia, a dynamic, fast-expanding ecosystem especially active in AI entertainment, creative tools, and learning apps. And on the screen, you'll now see which AI app types dominate in each of these regions, from assistants to content generators and creative tools. Key market segments. The AI universe is huge, but it's built around 6 powerful segments. Understanding them helps identify your own niche and your future users. First, content generators, the heart of AI apps today. Users can create content instantly. AI text writers, image and avatar generators, short AI videos, 3–10 seconds, vertical format. Short-form video is booming. This segment is growing fast. Second, AI assistants and chatbots, your 24/7 helpers. From planners and research bots to emotional support assistants, they make life easier anytime and anywhere. Third, productivity and automation tools. Apps that save users time, transcription, summarization, scheduling, workflow, automation, and so on. Time saved, real value. Fourth, AI for learning and self-development. Smart tutors, language bots, skill-building assistants, popular with Gen Z and young professionals who want to grow fast. Fifth, AI creativity and entertainment. Music, stories, memes, digital art, fun, personalized, and fast-growing, perfect for creative play. Sixth, AI utilities, the everyday heroes, translators, voice converters, smart research tools. They seamlessly fit into users' routine and become daily habits. Trends and growth factors. The AI app market is booming, but what's driving this growth? There are the key trends shaping the future. First, from all-in-one to hyper-focused tools. Users don't want apps that do everything. The winners are ultra-specialized AI tools that solve one problem perfectly. Avatar creation, social media content, robot automation, short-form video generation. Simplicity beats complexity. If your app nails one task, users love it. Second, on-device AI, speed plus privacy. AI is moving onto users' devices. Models run locally without sending data to servers. This gives us time performance, maximum privacy, offline functionality. For developers, this is a huge trust and competitive advantage. AI agents, chatbots that actually work. Next-gen AI isn't just for chatting, it's acts. Books appointments, plans schedules, prepares info, automates tasks. Tools like ChatGPT agents and Gemini tools turn AI into a proactive digital assistant. Fourth, hybrid monetization models. Subscriptions are no longer the only option. Smart AI apps use hybrid monetization. Subscription for regular use and credits for one-time operations. This way, apps reach different user types and boost revenue. Regional differences matter. In the US, the average revenue per user is 3-5 times higher. Japan and Korea love microtransactions. Europe, subscription convert well, but LTV lower. Fifth, big platforms are joining the game. Social apps, marketplaces, and super apps are embedding AI directly. To complete, dedicated AI apps must offer deeper functionality, more control, higher quality, specialization. Big platforms are bored. AI apps win by being precise and better at specific tasks. Specifics AI apps. AI apps don't play the same rules. Here, speed, quality, and trust decide everything. First, extreme tech competition. New AI apps appear every week, each claiming to be smarter, faster, or more accurate. To stay relevant, move fast, watch new models, adopt new tech before competitors. Being slow here is losing users. Next, fast continuous updates are a must. Updates aren't optional, they're survival. Users notice immediately if your AI feels outdated, worse quality, slower responses, no new features. If it disappoints, they just switch. Regular updates keep you in the game. Next, high expectations for speed and accuracy. AI users are demanding. They want instant, correct results. 1 or 2 bad outputs, the app closed. Retention depends on the first results. 40-60% uninstall on day 1 if AI disappoints. First impression is everything. Next, trust is key. AI often handles sensitive data, faces, voices, documents. Users need to know how data is processed, what's stored, what never leaves the device. Transparency is mandatory, not optional. Next, users want control, not magic. AI can feel complex, but users want predictable, simple, controllable tools. Clean interface, clear steps, visible progress, understandable settings. They don't want to guess what's happening. They want to feel in charge. ASO depends on product quality. Marketing alone won't save you. Even perfect ASO fails if AI is slow, model is inaccurate, app feels unstable. The formula for success: great product leads to clear value, strong ASO, consistent updates, and high retention. ASO analysis. Let's take a closer look at what makes ASO for AI apps fundamentally different and why it matters more than ever. Why ASO matters here? Before users try your AI, they judge your app store page. So ASO becomes the bridge between "I've heard about this app" and "I'm installing it right now." Even the best AI won't matter if users can't find your app or don't understand the value in the first few seconds. Let's break down the key ASO rules for AI apps. First, benchmark metrics and users' intent. First, let's start with users' behavior. People searching for AI apps don't scroll randomly. They search with purpose. They already know what they want: AI photo editor, avatar generator, AI chatbot. This focused intent leads to unusually high conversion rates. On Google Play, in the productivity category, from page view to install can reach up to 40%. In the App Store, up to 95%, and lifestyle and business, up to 60-73%. It means if a user reaches your page, there is a very high chance they will install your app. But here's the hard part. AI apps also have one of the highest day one churn rates. If users don't get value immediately, they leave. ASO brings users in. Only a strong product keeps them. Next, text ASO: clear, simple, value-driven. Once we understand intent, we move to communication. AI users don't want technical explanations, they want results. So text ASO becomes less about how the model works and more about what the user gets. Titles. There are 2 strategies work best for titles. Strong brands skip AI. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Grammarly, the brand alone combines trust. and new apps in competitive niches. Use the formula brand plus function plus AI. For example, Photolib AI for the editor, Copy AI, AI writer. This instantly clarifies purpose and boosts search visibility. Keywords. Focus on actions, not technology. Generate, create, chat, write, avatar, art, editor. These reflect that users actually want to do. Want to see which keywords are really popular? Use a free tool like Keyword Suggest from ASOMobile. Just type AI into the search field and click Analyze. You'll get a list of keywords users are actually searching for. This way, your keyword strategy isn't based on guesses, it's based on real users' behavior in the app stores. And if you want more tips on how to find the best keywords and other ASO tools, check out our other videos on the ASOMobile channel. You'll find lots of practical guides to boost your app's visibility and installs. You can find the link in the description. Next, description. Explain benefits, not architecture. Users want to generate an image in 3 seconds, write a caption instantly, fix a photo with one tap. So keep the tone simple, emotional, and result-oriented. Third, visual ASO. Show, don't tell. Visuals are the most powerful part of ASO for AI apps. Here, visuals don't support the message, they sell it. Your icon should look modern, clean, AI-inspired, trustworthy, especially for apps using faces, voices, or documents. The winning formula for screenshots before-after. Selfie, AI avatar. Raw text, polished post. Sketch, artwork. Raw video, AI video. Users want to see the transformation, not the UI. That's why leaders update screenshots every 1-2 months. AI evolves too fast. Video preview. Video boosts conversion by 50-25%, especially for AI avatar creators, image generators, video tools, chatbots. If your AI can create magic, show it. ASO for AI apps work only when product quality, clarity, and visuals move together. Our job isn't just to optimize keywords, it's to build a story that convinces users before they even open the app that our AI can deliver real value. Safety and moderation in 2025, what stores don't tell you. There is one more critical factor that every AI app needs to understand before we talk about monetization: the new store rules. In 2025, AI apps go through a special review process, and it's much tougher than the standard one. Apple and Google have introduced dedicated AI rules, and many apps fail right here. Apple's approach strict and detail-focused. Apple's AI rules can be summarized in one sentence. No, not safe for work content, no deepfakes, no unrealistic promises. If your app works with faces or voices, you must clearly explain how data is collected, how it's processed, and how it's stored. And if your chatbot talks too freely, Apple rejects it instantly. Google Play even more direct. Google requires visible disclaimers for every AI features. This may be wrong. Other rules are just as strict. Synthetic faces must be clearly labeled. Not safe for work generation lead to automatic removal. No exaggerated claims about accuracy or detections. Why this matters? AI apps now spend 2-5 times longer in review. Face swap tools, avatar generators, and voice clones are rejected the most. And your store listing must describe the AI honestly. No hype, no miracle claims, no perfect accuracy. The more transparent you are, the fastest your app gets approved, and the more trust you build with users. Monetization and business models. Once your app passed review, the next big question is how do you turn your AI product into a real business? In AI, monetization isn't just put a price on it. It's about building a system that feels fair, simple, and clearly tied to value. Freemium, the core of AI monetization. This is the #1 model for a reason. Users try the magic for free, they see real value, and then they upgrade. Free features build trust, and paid features unlock higher limits, faster processing, advanced tools, no ads. This model works because users experience value first, not just read about it. Subscriptions is main revenue engine. Subscriptions generate 80% of revenue in AI apps. They create predictable income and give users ongoing access to premium features. If your AI helps people daily, they gladly pay monthly. Hybrid models rising fast. More apps now mix subscriptions with credit packs. Why? Because different users have different needs. Regular users prefer subscription. Occasional users buy credits for one-off heavy operations. This flexibility increases total revenue without feeling pushy. Monetization must adapt globally. Users' behavior varies by region, so your pricing must be flexible too. Some markets love micropayments, others choose subscriptions, some pay only for specific features. Strong monetization is understanding how people use your app and giving them options that fit. Future outlook. The AI app market will keep growing fast in 2026, but so will the competition. Here's what really matters. First, market growth. Downloads are expected to increase by 25–35%, but success won't depend on AI alone. Users now choose apps that deliver real value, high-quality results, simple and smooth experience. The hype phase is over. Practical benefits win. Second, regulation and trust. Global rules are getting stricter. Clear data practices, transparent algorithms, and strong privacy are becoming mandatory. And this is not only about compliance, it's about trust. Trusted apps keeps users longer and grow faster. Third, system-level AI. Smartphones now come with built-in AI like Apple Intelligence and Gemini Nano. These tools are fast, private, and deeply integrated into the device. This means AI apps must offer something extra, features or results that system AI can't match. Fourth, hybrid and specialized tools. The most successful apps mix AI with productivity, content creation, or communication. In 2026, the winners will be hyper-focused apps that solve one problem better than anyone else and complement system AI, not compete with it. Specialization beats all in one. The AI apps category is dynamic, fast-growing, and highly competitive. Success depends on 4 key elements: strong AI model, smart ASO, recognizable branding, and users' trust. To win in 2026, apps must combine great product, clear value, and strong ASO, plus consistent updates. Only this approach turns an AI app from just another tool into a must-have solution. Which AI apps have been the most useful for you, and why? Let me know in the comments. On our channel, we have plenty of videos on optimizing mobile apps, and now you can also apply these insights to AI-powered apps. Subscribe to stay updated and get practical tips for your next project.